here's the change of base formula. This is actually super important to know. If you had log b to the x, what you can do is you can change the bases so that it is numbers that you can use to multiply. So that probably sounded pretty confusing. Look at this first example, log 4 8. So what you can do is you can change, you kick the 8 to the top, so you make it log 8 over, and then the little 4 goes to the bottom, over log 4. Now you can make the bases whatever you want. Most calculators calculate in base 10, which remember is like if there's nothing written there, so this would be base 10. But we can just put whatever base we want there as long as we do it to both of them. So I want to show you, because this is our first example on the next slide. If we were evaluating log 4 8, the first method is to change to base 10, which is what we were doing. So you kick the 8 to the top, you kick the 4 to the bottom. Now, on your calculator, I don't know what you can see here. For mine, I have to hit the second and then the perb because it's got the log there. So if I did log of 8, I get a long decimal. So like 0.903-ish. If I did the same thing with log 4, I get 0.602, and the decimals go on for a long time. Now, if I divide those, 0.903 divided by 0.602, I get approximately 1.5. And that's the answer, by the way. I'm going to show you how you can change the base, though, to a common base and also get 1.5. And this is the way I like better. This just shows how smart you are. So remember, we kicked the log 8 to the top. The log 4 can go to the bottom. Now 4 and 8 are both factors of 2. They're not factors, they're both multiples of 2. So like 2 to the second power would be 4, 2 to the third power would be 8. So what we can do is we can give them both base 2. And then we can kind of simplify that. Like, remember, log 2 4 would be like 2 to the something power equals 4. And log 2 8 would be like 2 to the something power equals 8. Now 2 to the third power would be 8. And 2 to the second power would be 4. So you're left with 3 over 2, which, hey, guess what 3 divided by 2 is? Oh, snap, 1.5. Dang. So if you can get that same base, that's awesome. So like if we were trying these, which I would have you try these normally, but let's just do these two together. And let's try these with the change of base. So 9 and 27, so we could kick log 27 up top. You throw the log 9 to the bottom. Now these are both exponents with 3, right? So we can give them both the base of 3. Now you can do this just with log 10, and that's fine. But we're just too cool for that. So 3 to the third power gives you 27. 3 to the second power gives you 9. And 3 over 2 again gives us that 1.5. Whoops. Oh boy. So let's try this one. So we kick the 16 up top. Bring the 8 down here. Now again, these can both have a base of 2. So 8 is 2 to the third power. 2 times 2 times 2. So log 2 8 would equal 3. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 2 to the fourth power is 16. So we'd have 4 over 3, which comes out to 1.3 repeating. Or you can leave it as 4 over 3.